All right, guys, welcome back. Miss Teen Queen Jamaica, Monique Blake. You heard me correctly. I did not make a mistake. Her name is Monique. And Miss Teen Universe 2023, Makita James. They join us now to talk about whether skin bleaching is still prevalent today. Monique, or Monique, right? The prompter said Monique. No, we got to change it. Her name is Monique. She's going to be sharing insights from her campaign aimed at steering people away from the practice. Good morning to you, lovely ladies.
Good morning.
How are you guys doing?
Fine. Good.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you.
I love the shirts, by the way.
Right?
Thank you.
So black and beautiful.
No, Monique, my gosh. Okay. Miss Teen Jamaica.
Yes.
Reigning Miss Teen Jamaica.
Yes.
And Makita, Miss Teen Universe. Okay. Let's talk about first, how the pageants transformed your lives. How did the experience make you feel more confident as young women? Monique, let's start with you.
All right, so I've always had a passion for youth empowerment. My first pageant was Anwar. Joined that pageant after working at Sutherland. And after that pageant, I wasn't placed at all. But after that pageant, I felt more confident, like I need to join other pageants, like I need to empower youth out there because I'm the voice. They don't have anyone to speak up for them, so I'm the voice that they need. Their voices need to be heard. So from there, I started my platform, Kings and Queens Youth Empowerment. Proud CEO of that. And from there, I moved on to doing campaigns, the DA chairperson for Manchester Parish Youth Council as well.
How did this partnership come about? How did you guys link up?
Pageant.
Pageant. Oh, pageant girl. In deciding what it is that you wanted to focus on, though, you've decided on skin bleaching. Why skin bleaching?
All right, so last year, November, I was scrolling on Instagram and I saw on Jamaica Observer that urgent skin bleaching campaign needed. So I sent it to Makita and she was like, oh my God, girl, we need to come up with a campaign because, it's impacting youths out there and, black skin is very being proud of to be speak of. So from there we moved on. She created the posters and the shirts as well. And from there we started visiting schools and communities. And it's that we have an Instagram trend going, Instagram challenge. It started spreading worldwide. Nigeria doing it. You have the UK. Yes.
From Nigeria doing it, because actually it's one of those places where skin bleaching is a major thing in some of these African countries.
Yeah. Makita, you have to talk to us and tell us about your experience, though, in your pageant and, why you decided to offer yourself, basically, to join forces with Monique for this mission.
Well, I wanted to do pageantry as long as I can remember. My mom always motivated me, saying, Makita, you're going to win Miss World, you're going to win Miss World, you're going to be a Miss World. And so she's one of the reasons why I pursued it. One day I was just sitting at home on my phone scrolling, and then I saw the ad for a pageant. It was Mr. and Miss Central Jamaica. And I was just like, it's time, because when I was younger, I didn't really see it because they don't offer pageantry for, younger persons. It's 16 and up. So when I got to that age, I was like, it's time to start. So I started and the experience was wonderful and it just helped me to gain more confidence. And, females out there has very low self-esteem. And I just wanted to spread my word and give empowerment to all the females out there that feel like they don't know what to do in life and, just do something new.
I'm very happy you mentioned, self-esteem and how the pageant has really aided in your confidence, right? And now when you're on this mission of looking at skin bleaching, you must have, dug deep in terms of the research. And what are your findings? That's my question to both of you. What have you discovered since you started this mission about how we are now looking at skin bleaching? We know about the prevalence back in the 2000s, early 2000s, and, the cake soap era. In 2025, are we still obsessed with skin bleaching?
And I was wondering, too, because then we're in the social media age where, being a dolly and being a chromas, that's a term that's being used to describe probably a lighter skin complexion and a lot of persons wanting to aspire to that, especially if your favorite personalities or influencers have a lighter complexion. Is there a challenge in trying to reach people where that is concerned too.
Yeah, so what are your findings and
then-
what has been the challenges?
So me personally, I visited the Newell High School in St. Elizabeth. That's where I'm from. And I was there, and the guidance counselor, she selected like a number of persons that I was supposed to speak to. And while I was there, I was talking to them and, asking questions and stuff. I noticed some students in the back. They decided to sit in the back. Do you know why they decided to sit in the back? They were visibly, you could see that they were bleaching.
Gotcha.
So I tried my best to have them in the conversation, ask why, but they did not want to do it. I tried so hard. But it goes to show that it is still here in the environment. It hasn't gone anywhere. People are still trying to say, oh, black is not beautiful, and I want to look white so I can get out there in the world.
Oh, wow. Monique, you?
All right, so if you look in the US, you would realize that they're having a campaign saying Black Matters. The trend does spread worldwide because I had it in my community. I've been spreading in my community, actually. And the term that women use as dolly or being a dolly, they feel like they have to bleach their skin to become influential, or they have to bleach their skin to look beautiful. But that's not the case. I mean, look at Marcus Garvey. He didn't have to bleach to become famous or who he is. Look at Bob Marley. He didn't have to bleach to become a famous singer. And his songs are out there, actually. And people are singing his songs everywhere you go, including worldwide.
Okay, so this promotion, what form does it take now for you? Are you going into the schools? You're doing stuff online alone? Like, how are you doing this?
So we go into the schools and we want to have a campaign, empowerment, like sit down with persons. So that will be in March.
Okay.
About this in the starting of March.
You found the schools already?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. For persons who want to contact you, we're out of time.
No.
So for persons who want to contact you, how do they go about contacting you for you to come and visit them and speak to the kids there?
So you can contact us through Instagram, or my number, which is 312-6751. Our Instagrams are I am Makita James, and hers is I am Monique Blake.
And we're targeting both male and females, right? Because we know the boys are doing it just
The
the same.
boys are doing it just the same.
Just the same.
Okay, all right. Well, thank you both for being here. Thank you so much. Congratulations on the mission. Yeah.
Miss Teen Queen Jamaica, Monique Blake, and Miss Teen Universe 2023, Makita James. More on We Can Smile right after these messages. Lots of breaks and come.